Hello there, James from Growfrog here. Thank you for joining me again. Today I'd like to talk about why I garden and why you should give it a go as well, and the benefits that it brings. Basically, my first reason is mental health. When you're out in the garden, you are switching off from your socials, from everyday life, from the hustle and bustle, and that gives you your own time, your own space, and you're switching off it. So mentally, you are getting that benefit out of it. You and the plant and the soil, simple as. My number two main reason would be the physical aspect of it, which it would be what you are producing, what you are growing. When you are digging that soil, those microbes are going into your hands, into your nostrils as well, and this will benefit your gut bacteria and your all-round well-being. So I can't stress enough the importance of gardening. It's not just simple thing that when you're doing it for fun, you are getting so much benefit out of it. So if you haven't tried it, and this has what you just seen me saying or heard me saying now makes sense, please give it a go, because it's no-brainer. Thank you for joining me today, and please like and subscribe so I can bring you more content. Thank you.